So as you can see, my pantry has gotten out of control. It is just exploding with especially stuff for the kids. So this is, what I have, and I'm just going to take everything out. And it helped that I had stuff already in a few bins, and then it helped moving things out in bags, and then some of the bins that I bought, and then some bins I actually repurposed for my pantry. I had a couple of bins used for other things, and then I decided, you know what, I'm gonna put these in my pantry. So I had to organize those things that I unorganized by taking the bins for my pantry. But my pantry is something that, if you walk in my house and you walk in my kitchen, it's usually open, and I can't. I'm just like an organization freak, and that pantry was embarrassing for me. So I am going to show you how I organized my pantry, and basically did it for about $10. A lot of the items I already had, and then a few of the items I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I'll show you those at the end. So here is everything out of my pantry. Everything in my pantry basically took up all my counters, and I even had to put stuff on the floor, had to put stuff in my living room. Oh my gosh, yes, way too much stuff. Taking everything out of my pantry, I was able to see what is expired, what I have, duplicates of, what I really need to go through and just use that before it expires, and just stuff that I don't need to repurchase at the moment. Now I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum. It was just the easiest way to clean everything out, because I vacuumed the floors and then I vacuumed the shelves. My house wouldn't be my house if I didn't have my Clorox wipes. I use Clorox wipes like crazy, so I'm always buying them at Sam's and Costco whenever they go on sale. So I'm just going to wipe down everything. I wipe it down once, and then I wipe it down again just to make sure it's extra clean, trying to get any little stubborn stain or anything off. And I'm just basically cleaning it up, because I probably hadn't done this for about 6 months to a year. So just cleaning everything, and then I'm going to mop my floors. And then this is the finished product. Doesn't look like it's changed too much, but believe me, I threw away some things. I consolidated some things, and try to just, have a better organization. That's our little fryer, and I used a piece of cardboard because a lot of times the fryer will leave sticky marks. And then just everything. So over here, I put to the right of that, it says nutritional add-ons and snacks. That's basically my bin. And then my husband's condiment bin. He loves his Cholula. Yes. And then all my canned goods, pastas, the kids' macaroni, the little sugar cones. I had no place to put it, so that's where it went. I put all my spices in one little bin. Put my oils, the Pop-Tarts for the girls, peanuts, cashews for snacks. I have all my sugar and powdered sugar. In the back I got some flour. I have some brown sugar back there. All my canisters, they're all labeled, and then the sugar for easy grab for like adding into a drink or whatever. And then all my sprinkles. I like to bake, so you will see that my baking section is quite large, but putting my sprinkles in a bin and putting the baking items in a bin was a really good idea for my house, because those things tended to fall and it was a pain in the butt. And then we really love popcorn in this house, so I put all my popcorn and the pretzels in a bin, and some pita chips, pretzels, popcorn, all PPPs. And then the girls, they have their snacks, so they have their healthy snack bin, and then they have their not so healthy snack bin. We all have those. And then down there is just stuff for their lunches for school. And then I consolidated all my bags into one area. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you like me, give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.